In a sudden twist, US President Donald Trump made an unexpected announcement. This announcement came shortly after a ceasefire was declared between Iran and Israel after nearly 2 weeks of airstrikes and missile attacks. President Trump shared a post on his social media platform Truth Social, which read, "China can now continue to purchase oil from Iran. Hopefully, they will be purchasing plenty from the US also. It was my great honor to make this happen." Now, this comes as a bit of a shocker because the same US president earlier sought to isolate Iran through sweeping economic sanctions. Trump's sudden endorsement of oil trade with Iran has raised speculations among analysts and diplomats globally. And if US sanctions on Iran are to be looked upon, the country has been known for imposing sweeping sanctions on Iran, crippling its oil-dependent economy. During these sanctions, China became a crucial economic lifeline for Iran. So will China now suffer a rise post Trump's announcement? How is the current Iran-China oil trade landscape? Why is China so reliant on Iran, and should China be worried? Let's discuss in this episode of NewsWatch. For starters, China is the main buyer of Iranian oil. China imports around 43 million barrels of oil per month from Iran. This year, China accounted for roughly 13.6% of purchase from Iran. Not to forget that China is world's largest importer of crude oil. It imports Iran's 90% of crude oil. This simply means that if there are any disruptions in the Middle East, it will directly impact China's energy requirements. Last year, China's Iran purchases averaged 1.4 million BPD, or about 14.6% of China's imports, according to Kepler. This year, in the first 6 months, China purchased an average of 1.38 million barrels per day of Iranian oil. Around 65% of total crude and condensate shipped through the Strait of Hormuz from Iran is destined for China, according to shipping data from Vortexa. So who are the main Chinese buyers of Iranian oil? Chinese independent refiners known as teapots are the main buyers of Iranian oil. These teapots account for roughly 1/4 of Chinese refinery capacity. Interestingly, China's big state oil companies have refrained from buying Iranian oil since 2018. So how much does the Iranian oil cost? Well, Iranian oil currently trades at a roughly $7 to $8 per barrel discount, according to traders. China maintains close ties with Iran, being its top oil buyer. China has long backed US-sanctioned Iran in order to deepen its strategic and economic heft in the Middle East. A 25-year cooperation deal also exists between the two nations, which was signed in 2021. Apart from this, Chinese Commerce Ministry data shows its direct investments in Iran by the end of 2023 totaled $3.9 billion. Chinese firms have engaged in energy and railway projects, some facing setbacks due to US sanctions and financing issues. Last month, the United States had announced fresh sanctions on Iranian oil sales to Beijing, delivering a severe blow to both nations. China and Iran maintain diplomatic relations, and it is evident that China heavily relies on Iranian oil imports. Trump's latest announcement and Iran-Israel ceasefire becomes crucial for China. So what do you think of Trump's latest announcement? Do share your thoughts with us in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.